Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Hurley, and in the next few minutes I'm going to tell you a few very important things you need to know about credit repair. I know you don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to talk fast and I'm going to give it to you straight. First of all, I've been in the credit repair business since 1989. Most of the people selling credit repair on the internet weren't even alive then, but that's not the reason you should listen to me. You should listen to me because of why I got into the credit repair business in the first place and what I discovered years later. You see, I owned a real estate company back then, and it broke my heart to see nice families who couldn't buy a home because of their credit. And even if they were able to get a loan, they were paying a much higher rate on their mortgage. That's the tragedy of what I call credit poverty. If your credit isn't excellent, you wind up having to pay much more for things like credit cards, home loans, and car loans, and even insurance. And because of that, you have less money to pay towards your debt, so the cycle just keeps going and going. Lifting a credit score by just 40 points can save the average family thousands of dollars every year and make them able to enjoy a much better quality of life. Now, when I discovered this, I started learning everything I could about credit repair. Eventually, I learned so much that I started a credit repair business in 1989, and the rest is history. Over these last decades, I've become the nationwide industry expert on this subject. I've tested every conceivable approach to credit repair. I've partnered with law firms, I've written hundreds of different letters, I've tried doing it over the phone, I've hired people who worked inside the credit bureaus, I've filed lawsuits, I've even shown up to the offices of the credit bureaus in person. Oh, and I've also purchased and tested 31 credit repair programs and services, and I've read every book published on this subject since 1970. I even wrote the definitive book on the subject. And along the way, I've personally shown tens of thousands of people the path to better credit. This has been a passion of mine for decades, and now I'm going to tell you what's come out of all of it.